Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing? And in today's video, we're going to be going over Verizon and their quote unquote crappy customer service, and I'll show you why in just a minute. And then also Rent-A-Center, bro. Rent-A-Center, you don't even know the half. Like, I went in there and I was like, dude, I was shocked. I almost fell out when they told me the price that they wanted for PS5. So got that all on tape or whatever. And I know you guys love these series. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech family. Comment down below what you think about this video or any other video. By the way, guys, we are running a giveaway right now. It's a giveaway for a Simple Mobile $40 gift card. Just go ahead and type in hashtag MTR Eats down below in the comments down below after you finish watching the video to be entered for that. We're going to be picking it on Wednesday. So all this week until next Wednesday, just go ahead and hit hashtag MTR Eats in any of my videos, and we're going to go ahead and pick a winner through that. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and hit the intro. So yeah, guys, I know that you like these series, guys, and you know what I'm saying. I've been going around to Verizon, T-Mobile, Boost. I literally went everywhere that I can go. There's probably maybe a couple more that I can go visit. So we'll see about that or whatever. And this is my findings, and of course, probably in a couple months' time, I'll go back. We'll revisit or whatever the case may be. So this is the Verizon that was at. And yeah, guys, by the way, I am a full-time YouTuber now, and there is a monetization, or there's a dollar sign down below if you like to donate while you're watching or whatever. Throw me a, throw me a bone there. And also, if you'd like to go ahead and join as a member for as little as 99 cents a month, contribute that way. But let's see what happened here. So
Looks good.
we're gonna go
Guys,
kind of go back. So I'm going kind of go in there, and I don't know, like
any type of
I should just go in.
prepaid stuff.
I got to go back a little bit because in there, right? And this is a Verizon store, Verizon postpaid. You know what I'm saying? And you would think that they would be, they would have plenty of and serve you, and to help you out or whatever the case may be. And they don't. Why would they're making all this money off of these postpaid sales? They put you on a 2-year contract.
Let's check out the prepaid.
But
the prepaid here.
You can't even have like
prepaid section. They have
and this is their whole prepaid section right here. Look at this. 5 phones, literally 5 phones. The Cubic Journey, I think that says. I don't even know what the heck that says. Samsung Galaxy A13.
Samsung Galaxy A13.
They got a mobile hotspot. Dude, how do you only have 4 phones prepaid?
No price.
Come on, guys. Like, dude, Walmart, Kmart, Target, they have way more devices than this. Like, this just shows you how badly they don't want you to get Verizon prepaid. But I mean, if it's a service you offer, guys, why not actually carry the phones? Why not actually serve the community the right way instead of just trying to get everybody to go on postpaid? I mean, yeah, we get it. You get paid a lot more. You get a lot more money off of that. But, would you rather out the door, or would you, rather help the customer out? But obviously in this store,
they got a
let's see here. Let's actually. So as you hold on. As you can see here, there's literally. Why can't I get it to stop at the right point? Do it right here. So, as you can see here, there's literally just one person working this whole store or whatever. There's a couple right here. There's a person over there. There's a person over there. So there's literally like 5 customers that need help in the store, and they're just like literally just calmly waiting. And God knows how long you're gonna wait. So, this is really frustrating, man. And I don't blame this guy here. You know what I'm saying? I walked in there before one time or whatever. He was pretty cool. We had a little convo or whatever. He's got the cool green hair going and everything like that. And I don't blame the dude. Like, I literally don't blame the dude because, like, what I'm saying, that's what corporate does, and that's how they schedule you guys. You need to have more than just one person working at a Verizon postpaid store. What? How are you going to get any business that way? How you actually, be able to sell to people? I walk right out. Like, I don't. I'm not gonna. If my first impression is you have one person working, and I'm about to sign a 2-year contract with you, just imagine if I have an issue and that I need resolved right away. I'm gonna have to wait how long to get served? You know what I'm saying? For this? Like, come on. Like, this is ridiculous. They're like the most expensive when it comes to plans, and they're technically. I think a lot of people have said, and I've heard in the past, and checking people's credit or whatever. They're like the hardest to get into as far as like credit score. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure you need a pretty good credit score to go with Verizon. And Sprint used to be like the lightest of the bunch, but they shut down now. I think T-Mobile is the lightest when it comes to credit check or whatever, or credit score and whatnot. So, dude, that's your like customer service right there. Look, one, two, three, five people right there. Poor guy just sitting there. You know what I'm saying? Probably trying to get through, and they're not going to be able to give. He's not going to be able to give the customer service that he needs to give. You know what I'm saying? So they're making all this money off of each and every customer, and let's just say all these people sign up for contracts today. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, and that's a lot of money they're just leaving there, sitting on the table or whatever. So let's continue on here. Let's continue on what's going on. So then, yeah, I'm just like, said hello to me, like, welcome to Forever, but he was just busy. He was just busy.
Very
I
busy,
just
so I don't.
I walked around, look at a few things.
What the hell?
Um, but I mean, what else? What else can I say? I get no customer service. You know what I'm saying?
The
Because I
prepaid
didn't get a
section
chance
here. The glorious prepaid
get seen. And then obviously, the wall right here. All they
section.
got is the prepaid
They
section,
have
which is they only have
a Samsung Galaxy
4
A13.
phones,
They got a ZT Blade
smartphones
Vantage.
that are Verizon. Ridiculous. So, and then after that, I kind of just walked out. It's just like, okay. I asked this
Is
couple
this the
right here how long
longest?
they've been waiting
It's only one
or
person.
whatever. Who's
Dang.
next?
How long y'all been
So
waiting?
they're gonna be sitting here for a while.
Who's
They're gonna be sitting here for a while.
around here?
But like that, you should be
A
able to
small
come
thing.
into a store
Is there any
within
like
a reasonable amount of 5-10 minutes,
wonder if there's
get
any big
seen. You
like
know what I'm saying? Get
flash
your
stores
stuff
in
done or
the
whatever
area?
that you need to
Maybe
get done.
military or something.
So, anyways,
So I don't know. I don't
but
know, guys. A whole
and then me too, because at the end of this whole thing, I actually seen that
paid store where they
they had, they had some bird poop. They literally had some bird crap on the awning or whatever. So, oh man, hold on, guys. I gotta. This is not even live, but I'm telling you to hold on because I have to give Little John his milk. So come on, Little John, come on, let's go. You're not gonna shut the computer off on me. Come on, let's go. Come on, buddy. All right. And here you go, buddy. So hopefully everybody's commenting. Hopefully everybody's, what I'm saying, having a good time today. So let's go ahead and go on to the next video, or the next part of the video here that I want to show you guys. So since Verizon was kind of a bust, I went to Metro. I went to Metro by T-Mobile or whatever, and they had like a fight in there. They were like fighting with. I didn't, but you know what I'm saying. That's my homie in that Metro by T-Mobile. He's
okay.
okay. So they were having an argument with the phone. They didn't have the TCL stylus available or whatever. So that was kind of I don't know why products, but they don't have like the cards. You know, you had a lot of time to freaking set up or whatever. Why not have the information there available for the customers? Whatever. They didn't have the phone either, so it is what it is. You know, that's I guess inventory, whatever problems, logistics. I don't know. So, but yeah, that's the TCL stylus. So we went and seen that, and then but the other part that I really take you guys on to show is went over into this store
Yeah,
here.
these people can't put up with that.
We went into Rent a Center here. Um, and here's kind of spicy, guys. So let's walk
Rent
in
a
here.
Centers loves to rack up those prices.
So this Rent a
Yes.
Center is just a scummy
Yes.
place that I've
So
never, ever would tell anybody to get anything
let's
from
take a look.
because you're going to
What we
be
got going on
paying
here.
so much
We're
for
looking
these
for
things or
hardworking and
whatever.
motivated people like
Look
you.
at this.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Look, full-time opportunities.
Look at
Now
that.
hiring.
Now
They got it.
hiring.
Look, 3 signs. 1,
You got now hiring.
look, 2,
Now hiring. How many times do you have to say that you're
3,
hiring?
full-time opportunities. Look at that. 3
How many
times.
times do you
I
have to
mean, dude, if you got to say and 3 on the same window, there, there's something wrong. You're doing something wrong. You're doing something shady, and you know what I'm saying. Like I don't. Oh damn, I don't have my camera up. Okay. Anyways, yeah, you're doing something shady. Something's going on in there. You know what I'm saying? Because obviously people are leaving. People are quitting. If you have 3 signs at the same store, so yeah, oof. I could just imagine how insufferable it is to actually work there. And, you know, you probably feel scummy at the end of the night having worked at one of these, you know, having to work at one of these places where you literally scam people out of money, out of their hard earned money and like rent out used crap from their stores, you know? And it just, oh my God, dude. Man, I'd have to take like a full freaking shower at night or whatever of shame and wash off all that like scummy crappiness that I would have done during the day, you know. But anyways, let's continue here. Let's continue here. All right, here we go. Talk to the lady in here, and I'm gonna ask her a few things or whatever. But I want you guys to pay attention to the prices she says. So, guys, don't forget to leave that like. Can't believe you haven't left that like yet, man. Mm-hmm.
Cash.
There's a little $75 couch. That's probably the best thing. The best thing in there. If I had $75 and a way to get it to my house, I'd get it.
70. What?
So,
No.
I guess they probably repoed it off of somebody or something. Poor person. They probably paid hundreds of dollars for that damn couch, and now they're selling it.
Buy that right now. Different things that does it say cash? Does it? Oh, you don't have the cord for it. Okay.
They don't have the cord for it because you know they repoed it off of somebody. So sad, man. Sad thing.
Might have to talk to the wife about that one. Next thing, electronics, like laptops or phone. Huh. Laptop.
Actually, same one I'm using right now, and the price.
So how much would something like this be to buy?
And they can't be bothered to wipe it off.
Okay.
Which one are you looking at?
Either one.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm looking at this one.
The cash price is $1,061. You would have 6 months to pay that price. If you didn't pay that in 6 months, the total cost is $1,769.
So $1,760 for a gaming laptop that probably right now goes for $700-800 max new. So yeah, that's kind of ridiculous.
So what do you like? You're saying like you pay $30 a week, right?
Down to get it done. but you have to have this paid in 6 months to get it for that price.
Okay.
And then if you regularly made, oh, you'll end up paying that total plus interest.
Plus interest. Okay. Yeah. And how about? That's a lot cheaper, huh?
Yeah, this is the same thing. You have 6 months to pay $599.70, and it will go up to $999.50.
999.50, and I'm looking at like some old ass like 2 GB having laptop there that you can get at Walmart for probably $300. So yeah, this thing is like scam all over.
And do you do like credit checks or anything like that? Or
no, sir. You get approved by like a soft decision engine. I don't know what they check, but it's not credit check. So they would run your name based off your social, your address, and your name, and then it would tell you, approved verification or 100% approved.
You got PS5?
Yes, sir.
How much is the PS gaming system?
Okay.
Or just is it?
I have PS5.
So yeah,
Yes, sir.
The PS5?
$40 a week, and they're in cash.
You got PS5?
$1,800 cash.
did you guys hear that? $40 a week, $1,800 cash. $1,800 cash. A PS5 came out for what? $500? That's more than triple the amount, guys. Triple the amount.
What?
And I'm kind of shocked.
Cash,
$1,800.
yes. Cash.
For PS5?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it $500? Yeah. No, come on. Stop playing. Stop playing. How come y'all have so many hiring signs?
Because I need people.
So, if you didn't hear her, she said, "You're at Rent-A-Center. What do you expect?" So they know they're a scam. They know they're a scam, and you know what I'm saying? They're just fine with it. Like the employee or the manager is fine with telling us that literally it's a scam. Like you're at Rent-A-Center. How scummy is that? Anyways, guys, that's pretty much the video. I was just totally disgusted at that point, and I was just like, yeah, I'm out of here. But hey, it is what it is. But I don't support that business at all. That's just way too crappy. Let me know what you guys think about down in the comments down below. Do you think that $1,800 is a fair price? You know what I'm saying? Capitalism, supply and demand, or whatever the case may be. What do you think about Verizon's non-customer service? And smack that like button, obviously, to let me know that you like these series or whatever, where I go over what happened on the live streams and whatnot, where I go investigate. Where should I go investigate next? You know what I'm saying? It doesn't always have to be just phones. It can be, other places of business or whatever. Where do you guys want me to go on my scooter or whatever? Where do you guys want me to go live stream at and investigate? Thank you guys for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review. I love you guys, and you guys are the best audience and best subscribers and best friends and family a guy can have. All right, guys. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now. Don't forget that MTR Eats. That's right. Gift card.